3 loaves divided by 16, your answer is 1/6 plus 1/48.
Wow.
Does that make sense?
What does that equal if you add them up?
If you add them up, it would equal to the modern way of computing, which is your modern answer.
Yeah, but see, there's you said there's multiple answers because multiple things add up to that answer.
So there are many answers.
Yeah, but
let's talk about
there's only one main answer. That's the modern version, isn't it?
That's one answer. I'd like to talk about Rowan's method. Okay, Rowan did it differently, right? So this is how Rowan would do it. So there are 3 loaves. Can we see all those 3 loaves? There are 16 people, right? So what did Rowan do is he halved them. So he halved them. There's 6. But then there's not enough for 16. He had the halves. Right? So he had the halves. So 1/2 of this, 1/2 of 1/2, 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 1/2 of 1/2. What piece was there now?
12.
No, what do you call each piece? There's 12 of them. What do you call each piece?
Quarter.
Yeah. So now he cut them into quarters. Now another thing is, there's only 12 of them. And so, he said there's not enough for 16. So what did he do?
Cut it again.
Right? So, half of a fourth, half of a quarter, half of a quarter, half of a quarter. Now, if he continue having a quarter, what do you call each piece?
An 8.
An 8. Now, how many 8s are there?
24.
Right, 24. And then, 24 shared between 16 people, you have enough, right? 3 divided by 16, each, he would give them a tiny piece, which is 1/24. Right? So, there's only 16, remember? There's only 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's a whole thing in here, yeah, that's not been given. So what do you call this whole piece now?
Leftovers.
Leftovers, and what do you call each? Because now they are basically 24ths. So this whole piece is called 8/24ths, right? So now there's 8 pieces left. 8 pieces left. What did Rowan do to the 8 pieces? Can he share it between 16 people?
He cut them in 2.
Yeah, cut him into 2. And if you cut them into 2, how many pieces would you have?
16.
Exactly. So what do you call each piece?
1/16.
What? Yeah.
Well,
Actually, it can't be a 16th because it comes from something originally that wasn't whole. So
I
it's...
did this with you.
I know, we've done this together, but I don't think it's right.
It is right.
Hopefully, it's just...
and this is where
Hopefully he can't hear us, but...
actually you could really think it like that, because now
Stinks, which you changed to 132. That's why you...
Exactly.
Oh, yeah, well, that's my plan all along.
anyway,
We've done it together.
it's an interesting thing, because okay,
Hey, teamwork. You've done the work, I've done the worrying.
you know, sometimes when I say things, when I discuss things, I sometimes want you to start thinking, yeah, that maybe if I lead you to something more, if I lead you to something that's wrong,
Huh?
yeah.
Wrong.
Sometimes I would say lead you to something wrong, and you would say, and I'm hoping that one of you would say, that's not right.
Edwin,
Told you.
Edwin,
Yes?
Doesn't make any sense.
Yes?
and I just noticed you're treating the 3 loaves of bread as if they're all one whole, but they're actually 3 separate wholes.
Thank
So
you.
wouldn't it be, instead of 1/24, it would be 1/8 that each
Yes.
person gets?
Thank you. Right? So
Yeah,
in
thanks,
here, what Rowan described is he's treating the 3 loaves as one whole. Your drawing here, the drawing here is correct, but the naming is not quite right. Yes? So essentially, each of this piece is called 1/8. Right? So here, that's 1 out of the 8. This is 1 out of the 8, right? So your first answer should not be 1/24, it's 1/8, right? So now, in here, there's 8 left, and you cut it in 2, and what do you call each piece?
16.
Yes, thank you. So, each one is a 16. Here, the answer is 1/6 plus 1/48. Yeah? In Rowan's attempt, the answer is 1/8 plus 1/16.
Okay. Well, which is correct?
Both of them.
Is